What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my page. As you can see, I just finished a 6x6 tile. Yes, I have branched out and now I'm doing tiles. Do a little bit close up. There you go. Got some cell work going right here. Want to add a little purple to it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I'm not going to torch it anymore because I already like what it looks like. So I'm going to keep it like that. So I will say thank you for coming back. I appreciate it. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And be on the lookout for more videos. Like I said before, I am back now, so I'll be doing a lot more. Alright? You guys take care. Hope to see you guys in the next video.